You're available when the storm hits, not when it's convenient for you, but the income follows the effort. Period, full stop. If you're willing to put in the work, this career can genuinely change your financial situation. I've watched it happen for hundreds of my certified students, happen for me. It is absolutely real. So, what are the actual first steps? Well, let me walk you through the roadmap to getting started. Step 1, and this is by far the most important. Decide if this work is actually right for you. And how do you do that? Before you spend $1 or fill out a single license application, I want you to do something that nobody really talks about, at least not in this way. Go and find out if this lifestyle is actually a fit for you, right? Not the income, right? Because that comes with hard work, not the freedom, the lifestyle, because field adjusting means living out of hotels for weeks at a time, eating at whatever's open nearby or frozen